All right, so the Chrome Web Store on a Chromebook is a little bit different than the Chrome Web Store on a Mac or PC. On a Mac or PC, you can only install extensions to your Chrome browser, but on a Chromebook, you can install apps and download games. So I'm going to click on apps. You can filter by the different kind. If you want Chrome apps, you can filter by uh, the category of the app. You can filter by whether it works online or whether Google made it or if it works with Drive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down through here and I'm going to download the Remind app. So I'm going to click on Remind. I get some screenshots. I can look at reviews that were done by other people. I can look at the support or if people are reporting that there are problems or they have questions or suggestions for the developer, that goes in here. And then there's also a related tab. Um, there's a description of the app, and then usually you can go to the developer website. Sometimes you can even the developer's email and contact information is down here too. I'm going to go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. It's going to ask me, are you sure you want to add it? I'm going to click Add App, and it's been successfully installed. Now, you find this, you click on the circle down here, and you can click this up arrow, and these are all your apps. And usually the one you just installed is right here at the very front. So that's where the apps go. And again, just a reminder that on a PC or a Mac computer, you're only going to be able to download extensions and themes. You will not even see the apps or games um, option. So that's how you download apps to a Chromebook.